Down the track, ladies and gentlemen, there's four of the fastest boats in the country here. The power's down now, neck for neck. Who's coming out in front? Is that Fury or is that Brian McCosker? No, it's Brian McCosker and Biscuit. They go in the corner together. Hard in, really close racing now. McCosker's so hard to run there on the corner. He's got some work to do. Fury's going up there on the outside. Chesser's really got this boat going. Fury as he goes into the corner now. I think this is for the last time now. The motor's not going very well on that Liberty just at the moment, but he's done a very fine job to come second in that. That'll give him quite a few points.